Okay, here we've got a 4880 Baltimore and Ohio steam loco. This has professionally fitted LOKSOUND decoder by Streamline Backshop Services in the States. Done a really good job of fitting it. The loco is okay. I'll fire it up here. But when we go to take off, this is what we get, intermittent. I'll hold my finger there, you can see it wants to go. It's trying to go. So I reckon all she needs is some wheels cleaned, because I can take this Loco off and hook this up to 12 volt and the wheels go around really quick. I think what the issue is, I'll just bring it over here in the light, is where that joins just here. It's got this little, let me just take this out of here, got that little pin thing there, you see on the end? There we go. That pin joins onto here, and it's only got this little thin metal strip, and I reckon that's not making enough contact, and the wheels maybe need a bit of a clean, but I haven't got the time to fiddle around with it. She's a good looking loco, and as I say, it's got a pro fitted LOKSOUND decoder in it, so she's a good one. It just needs a little bit of tender love and care to get it back to running smoothly. There we go.